Hello and welcome to a quick ESL reading with Natalia. This story is called Mr. Venezuela. Let's listen. Every year there is a beauty contest in Venezuela. The most beautiful woman is the winner. She is Miss Venezuela. Now there is another beauty contest in Venezuela. It is for men only. The most handsome man is the winner. He is Mr. Venezuela. Johnny Alvarez, age 23, wants to be Mr. Venezuela, so he is working hard. He is lifting weights and he is running. He is eating a special diet too. He is eating only fruit, vegetables, and chicken. He is not eating bread, ice cream, or candy. He wants to look good for the contest. Why does Johnny want to be Mr. Venezuela? He is a model. If I am Mr. Venezuela, he says, I will get a lot of modeling work. Some men don't like the Mr. Venezuela contest. Beauty contests are for women, they say. They are not for men. But women like the Mr. Venezuela contest. We like to look at the men, the women say. The men in Venezuela are the most handsome men in the world. What's good for the goose is good for the gander, I suppose.